Hey all of you, very good evening. Sangeeta here. So tomorrow it is going to be the chiffon georgettes and chanderis, the sleek material saris we are going to show from tomorrow 2 p.m. onwards. So this is just a sneak peek what all the products that we are going to show on tomorrow's show. So this is video number 1, where else I have already draped this the kalamkari printed Kerala Kasavu sari. On that kalamkari printed will be coming on video number 1, which will be 2100. The next one will be this chanderi ones. This chanderi, the leheria chanderi with borders you will be getting, which will be for 1200. And here comes chiffon mirror work saris, which will be coming for 1300. I tried my best to put everything in the budget range, so 900 to 4000 is the maximum that you will be getting in this show. So here this is one of the sari which we did long back, but still always it is in demand, because Navratri time, no, so we wanted all these colorful saris to come back again. So we have restocked it. This will be coming around at 900. And here comes this ikat design. So the ikat linen saris, which is very pretty ones with ikat blouse. So this is also a lovely collection that which we have restocked it, which will be coming for 900. And here comes the Georgette kalamkaris. These are all the Georgette kalamkaris that you will be getting. I have already posted this video also. I have posted. This will be coming for 1900. Okay, and then please. This is one lovely crepe sari, double toned crepe saris. I have lots of saris, but all single pieces. We don't have multiple in this single pieces. Though it is very lovely, so I got it. This comes just for 1100. Okay, so this comes with the small beadwork. It will come. And here this is a double toned Banarasi organza Banarasi with silver work that you will be getting, which will be for 2800. It has this the lovely tissue work comes throughout the body with double tone. All the colors are good. And that will be at video number 9. And video number 10 will be the shibori with mirror work. You will be getting lovely colors. This will be 3300, pure georgette made. Okay, then comes the floral with mirror work. Floral with mirror work comes for video number 11, 1300. And here comes the Banarasi ones, the Banarasi with big borders, the organza Banarasi, lovely collections that you will be getting with antique borders, which will be at video number 12 and 2900. And where is the next one? Here. This is the one? Yeah. So here this is embroidery with kalamkari border, a lovely soft crepe material with embroidery kalamkari. You will be getting it for 2500. All these pastel collections you will be getting. These are all the pastel collections you will be getting. And here comes a foil printed sari with the printed blouse. This is the printed blouse that you will be getting, and these are all the colors that you will be getting. These are all the colors you will be getting. This will be coming for 2000. Okay, so this is a half and half sari, a lovely linen sari with half and half collections, which I will be showing you. This comes with so this is how the sari comes. This is the pallu that you will be getting, and in the pleats you will be getting this what do you say, the colorful leheria stripes pattern that you will be getting. 5 to 6 designs we are having. Okay, so this is at video number 16. Video number 16, and comes for 1300 only, but lovely saris. And video number 17. Video number 17 comes with this rainbow sari, which was of 2500. And there is one semi tassa sari, a lovely semi tassa sari, tassar only, not pure, but comes with a very top soft texture, plain, full plain sari. And it comes with this lovely blouse, the netted blouse that you will be getting. So these are very pretty ones. I love the colors chupinchma. These are all the colors that you will be getting, the nice shades, the peacock blues, the grays, the light bronze shade, plain sari with I love the combination of the blouses. Generally these kind of shades will be very difficult to get. So, and this is just 1200 rupees. I felt with the quality and the blouse, it is amazingly a good package, so I took it. And these kind of the floral with borders, which is very pretty for the casual wears and formal wears. And this comes just for 1000 rupees. Okay, so this is one set. And here comes the shibori with borders. Lovely color combinations I'm having. Let me open and show you. This is, yeah, this is how it comes. Yeah, beautiful shibori with borders that you will be getting. All the color combinations of lovely color combinations that you will be getting. This is how the border comes, like, you know, show me the colors, ma. These are like, you know, the purple, the greens, the light blues with dark blues. We have two designs in this. Okay, so this is the color combinations that you will be getting in this. Yeah, so this will be costing 3,200, pure georgette made, pure georgette with the borders is what like you will be getting in these collections. This is one sari. This comes at video number
20.
Video number 20. Okay, video number 21. Video number 21. This is the sari that you will be having, the shaded sari, the triple color, double color, like, you know, 3 colors maximum. The shaded sari with nice embroideries on the border. We made sure that, like, you know, the festival season in mind, and we got it this Navratri and Dashra. Dashra is always, like, you know, meant to be very colorful. So, like, you know, these are all the color combinations. It's okay, ma. We will be getting, and this will be coming for 1,300. Video number 21. కొంచెం వెనకపో లక్ష్మి, కొంచెం వెనకపో లేబే. So the next one will be, these are all the tissue organza sari. These are the lovely tissue organza saris which comes with chiffon sequence blouse. This is a combination. We have color combinations with this, like, you know, very pretty sari. This is comes for 2,200. I'll just open and show you. The sari looks amazingly good. I really loved it. The tissue brasso sari. This is how the sari comes. Lovely sari, right? Looks very, very elegant. And this is the blouse that you will be getting, and this is a chiffon blouse. Okay, so this is a very pretty one. And here comes the next is video number 23. Is this is the soft crepe made. This is the printed kalamkari that you will be getting. These are all the printed kalamkari, and even the blouse is also on the same shade with the mirror work. A lovely collection. This is comes for 2,700. And here, like, you know, ikat mein one more sari which comes in 900 with ikat blouse. And this is, like, you know, the double toned crepe sari with the peacock work and other ones. This will be coming. And here comes the organza banarasi sari, like, you know, with the contrast color combinations. This we will be getting at video number 26, which of 2,800. And here comes, like, you know, the chiffon bandhani with borderless, like, you know, nice pretty zari work you will be getting. Ma color combinations chupinchima. This will come for 1,300. These are all the color combinations you will be getting: red, royal blue, green, the pink shade, and the dark navy blue. These are all the shades that you will be getting. And there is one sequence embroidery sari which is a lovely one. Yeah, this is the ones that you will be getting. So this is a chiffon sequence embroidery sari with rich embroidery on the borders you will be getting. This will be coming for 3,500. Lovely. Atlane set atlane. Let us show the colors in this. Yeah, these are all the colors we will be having. This is the blue, this is the pink, this is the yellow that we have. This is a lovely pearl white that you will be getting, peach color, and the light green color. These are all the color combinations that we will be getting in this sari. Okay, so there is one crepe the Banarasi sari is there. This is a lovely collection that we are having. So this will be costing 3,600. This is the one. I really loved it. This is the pure crepe one, pure crepe with antique border. These are not semi, pure crepe. Okay, so this is how the sari comes, and you will love the border of the blouse of the sari. Let me show you. So these are woven sari. Okay, hand woven sari. This is pure crepe Banarasi sari. This is how it comes. This is how it comes, and you will love the blouse. I'll show you the blouse. See, look at the blouse. It is completely gota woven blouse. This is the woven blouse that you will be getting, completely contrast rich sari. This is, and for the price of the sari, this is amazingly good. 3,600. Video number 29. So two videos we are continuously showing. One, it is light shade, so dark blue, wine purple, pink, yellow. These are all the saris that we will be having. The next video will be the light shades. These are all the light shades that you will be getting at video number 30. 3,600. The next one. This is video number 46, no? We will go there. We'll go there. Come. So this is video number this is video number 31. Video number 31, again we are having this shibori mirror work saree which comes for 3,300. I have 2 to 3 designs which will come throughout this shibori designs. We have a lot, okay? So this one you will be getting, and here comes the lovely chiffon with embroidery with butterfly design. This will be video number 32, 2,500. Lovely color combinations are there. This is the self embossed design with the netted blouse. This saree you will be getting at video number 33, 1,200. Lovely color combinations that we are having. Here comes the floral chiffons, okay? Nice pretty bird prints and floral prints you will be getting, and this is the chiffon blouse that you will be getting, which will be at 34, video number 2,200. And here comes the shibori with the lovely zari borders that you will be getting. So this is a velvet border, the satin velvet border that you will be getting. Let me where color open chedama, ide last kuda open chesnam, a pink and purple ivu third saree. Yeah, I'll just open and show you. This looks very lovely, and this is pure georgette mein the zari border which comes for 1,900. the sarees. Let me show you. Yes, this is how the saree comes. It looks really very pretty when you wear, and this will be coming at video number 35, 1,900. All bright colors we are having. The next one, yeah, so there is one more lovely organza Banarasi saree that you will be getting with antique border, which will be coming for video number 38, 2,900. Here also colors of the saree shipping down. These colors are pretty colors that you will be having. This is wine purple color, rama green color that you will be having. Pretty golden yellow shade. We have royal blue shade that you will be getting. A bit cool. So this royal blues and all looks amazingly good. Like, you know, when you wear, you will be having this brocade blouse. Let me show you. Yes, this is how the saree comes, like, you know, the rich organza Banarasi saree with antique borders on both the sides, and you will be getting this brocade blouse. Color combinations are there. So this is at 2,900 me you will be getting this saree. Then comes this ikat saree. Ikat me, this is the third design that we are showing at video number 39, and the price would be 900, and you will be getting a ikat blouse. So shibori mein there is one more lovely border saree that we are having. These all are single piece sarees, like, you know, we don't have multiples in this. These hand woven sarees comes as single piece only. So this comes for 3,200. The next combination, the next is, like, you know, a lovely the soft crepe saree with netted combination with embroidery. Very subtle sarees, like, you know, pastel collections. All these pastel collections you will be getting at video number 41, 2,500. Here comes, like, you know, then the floral saree with embroideries, like, you know, cutwork embroideries you will be getting in chiffon. These are chiffon florals with the cutwork embroideries that will be coming at 1,300. these prices are. And here comes, like, you know, the organza tissue with contrast borders, golden tissues. This will be at video number 43, 2,800. And here comes a beautiful kalamkari border saree you will be getting it, okay? So these are, like, you know, a lovely crepe saree, organza crepe sarees. These are a very, very new fabric. This is, it has the finish of crepe as well as the feel of organza. Both this saree will be having, and this will be at a video number 44, and the price would be 2,500. Embroidery with the kalamkari borders that you will be getting. Here lovely colors, like, you know, all the pastel shades you will be getting. And then comes the double toned. I haven't opened this saree, no. So this saree comes like this. You will be having this, the brocade blouse that you will be having, and the double tone color sarees that you will be getting. Okay, yeah. So this has the soft feel that you will be getting in this saree. Yes, These are all the sarees that you will be getting. In like throughout you will be having this the bead work that you will be getting here, like you are having this butterfly bead work that you will be having. And this is how the saree comes, a simple and neat double tone color, which will be of just 1100. And the blouse are heavy, that you will be getting heavy brocade blouse. This is one saree that you will be getting. And here comes like the chiffon with mirror work, the floral chiffon with mirror work, which will get for 47, video number 1300. And here comes like the pure crepe material with antique zari border and to contrast blouse. This will be at video number 48 to 3600. There Rama should go out. Okay, we'll go out. Come. So we are having 70 videos we are having. Okay, we will start from 2 o'clock and every 5 minutes we will be posting one saree. We are working from home. This is my house and we all of us are working from home. I'll show you I'll show you where I will take my photo shoot. Come, this is my balcony. This is my balcony where I will take all my photo shoots and everything. These are the artificial grass and those are natural plants that I have. And this is my this is my reception hall. Come, this is my reception hall and then the hall, the kitchen. You want to see my kitchen? Come. This is my kitchen. Come in, ma. I love round dining table. I made a chicken biryani today. This is chicken biryani today. And this is my kitchen. This is my world. This is my world. And I have one small puja room also. I'll show you. This is my puja room. This is the place where I get all my stamina. It Lakshmi shopping show. This is where I get all my stamina. So as I am sick, I didn't get permission from my family to come out to store and work. Then inside, those are personal spaces, our rooms and everything. So this is the organza Banarasi sarees that you will be getting for 2800. And then this is in shibori itself, the rich borders. These are pure Georgette mein antique borders shibori sarees we will be having. Nice pretty shibori collections we have. Video number 51, 3300. And yeah, there is one more double tone sarees like the shibori with mirror work that we are having. And here comes the floral collection, the crepe floral with embroideries, like the sequence embroideries we are having, which will come for 1700. And here comes one more ikat saree at video number 54, 900 with ikat blouses. These are all the ikat blouses that you will be getting. This is one very pretty one, the netted chiffon saree with the borders. I have already posted this picture in our page that you can see. Otherwise, I'll post it soon. And this is one lovely organza saree with contrast combinations, which will come for 2600 at video number 56. And the double tone colors, we have one more. These are all the bead works that you will be getting. Okay, so this will come at video number 57 and the price would be 1100. And here comes, I told you that the shibori with Banarasi, the netted chiffon mein, this will be coming at 2600, video number 59. I'll open and show you this saree. Because of the border this looks really lovely. This comes with contrast rich blouse. Okay, yeah, this is how the saree comes. So the saree comes like this with the rich border that you will be getting. This is how the saree comes with the pallu. This is the pallu that you will be getting. This is the pallu that you will be getting. And you will be getting the rich blouse that you will be getting. All bright color combinations you will be getting. Yeah. This is how the saree comes. Okay. So the bright color combinations, and this is the blouse that you will, the contrast to rich blouse. And the next next is the floral with sequence for all this the sleek ones, like looks very pretty, which will be at video number 60 and 1500. And here comes like the organza में small borders. People wanted small borders, right? So for those people, the contrast combination with Kanchipuram style, Banarasi and Kanchipuram style, video number 61, 2600. And here like shibori with borders, one more 162 video number, and the price is 3200. Here comes a lovely mirror cut work embroidery sari in floral chiffons में, video number 63, 1300. And here comes like the Meena work border. The Meena work border with the netted chiffon shibori sari will come at video number 64, 3100. And here comes a lovely the floral embroidery sari, body full floral, and like the embroidery design in the bottom part and the top part mein, which will come at video number 66, 2500. So there is one more like the complete different double tone color sari, which will be coming at video number 67, 1100. And here comes like one more the floral sari with mirror. These are the single pieces, we don't have double pieces, okay? So video number 68 and 1300. Here comes like the chiffon. I told the chiffon netted sari mein we have lovely borders like this will be at video number 70, 69, video number 69, 70 kada 69, video number 69. Video number 69 is the last video, which will be of 2600. So these are all the like I didn't have time to come and show you in live, so I just like gave you a sneak peek. So by tomorrow, by 2 p.m. onwards, we will start shooting up the videos. Stay tuned all of you. Signing off, Sangeeta. Bye.